Well, hello there. Welcome to Kirk TV. I'm Kirk, and I may or may not be the Jedi you're looking for. So my garden is booming, literally vomiting vegetables all over me. Let's go and see what's happening. So last week the zucchini, I had like one little one. It was just a tiny zucchini, but now these zucchini are blowing up here. This plant is enormous and it is producing a ton of fat zucchini. Sunflower update, look at this bad boy here. She is producing so many beautiful little flowers and so many bees hanging around here. And they seem to really be enjoying what we got. But check this other sunflower. This was like here, and now it was there, and now it's here and it's getting a big head on it. So I have access to bamboo from my work, and I built these teepees here to climb the cucumbers up. There's this one, and there's the one back there. It seems to be working okay so far, and we've got a lot of big cucumbers in the pot. Let's go look at those. Here's the cucumber sitch, just overloaded throughout the garden here. Trying to get it up this little trellis, and the other one we have over here. But we've got some monsters ready to pop. Pull this all intertangled here. It's really hard to film this and pull vegetables out at the same time, so sorry for any horrible camera work. There's one. They're all so intertwined here, it's so hard. Another one. This guy's all the way intertwined in here. It's like going out for Easter eggs, kind of. Oh, it's like birthing. Oh, it gave birth to another one. So far, that's just a few of them. I know there's more in here, but I'm not going to go through all that on film. We're going to go over and look at something. I forget what. Let's go look at that. So bed number 2 over here is the daughter's project. I thought there was things in there that are not in there. I was completely incorrect. So check out bed number 2 here. It doesn't look monumental, but we do have some radishes ready to go. So I'm gonna pull those bad boys out. Let's go check those out. Radish. Look at this guy. There's a radish. Some nature. Wow, look at this. Again, I apologize. This is really weird to film and try and harvest these. Is that a potato? Oh my Lord, what are we doing? What are we growing here? What is that? Oh my Lord. All right, so we got one of those. Clearly we have another one coming up here. Now that looks more like a classic radish. Here's another. Looks a little small. Maybe we'll let that guy go. And another over here. Is this a radish? It is. It is a radish. Let's go deep. There you go, another cute little radish. So we got some radishes here to add to our collection. Another tour of the garden. Everything is coming along nicely. I have so much food. I've had to give it away, and I love it. I love being able to give food away. It's fantastic. There's so much of it. I can't pickle it and do all the crap that needs to be done with it fast enough because it's coming in so quick. So yeah, grow a garden. Do it right now. Well, probably not now. It may not grow anything. But start planting one for next year. Or grow one now. Whatever. I really don't care. So thanks for joining me, and don't forget to click the link below to buy me a coffee. Well, you're not gonna buy me coffee. you're gonna actually buy me materials for this urban farm. So buy me a coffee, a tree. Buy me a tree, link below, hit it, check it out. There's a little bonus content there. You may like it, or you may not. The only way you'll know is if you go and check it out. So check it out, subscribe, share, thank you.